In this video, I will show you how to remove an element in Canva. To do this, first just open up Canva and go to the design that you want to delete an element from. For example, I'll use this one. Then in the design, make sure that it is unlocked, so you can see in the top right if it is unlocked like this, or if it's unlocked, which will look like an unlocked lock. Now, if it's unlocked, then just hover over the element you want to delete and then just click on it. For example, if I want to delete this one, then after doing that, you can click on the three dots, and from here you can then go and click on delete, or alternatively, what is even easier is just click backspace once you have clicked on it, and then it will also be deleted. If you would like to reverse it, just click on undo right here in the top right, or you can also do Command Z, and then it will also undo that action. So now you know how to remove an element in Canva. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.